How's it going? So, if you've been nursing the ambition to build your own game and you don't know how to go about it, I implore you to stay with me till the end as I unveil how to find your way around it without experiencing any form of glitch. There are so many game engines available in the market, but let me introduce you to the Unreal Engine, which happens to be an open source application. It is totally free and there are no hidden charges. To build your first game with Unreal Engine, follow these steps to install and to get started. The first thing you need to do is to install the Epic Game Launcher. The Epic Game Launcher serves as the game emulator. It works as a game emulator. Let's put it that way. And after you're done with that, after you are done with the installation of the Epic Game Launcher, it will ask you for your login details. It may ask you you can either put in your Yahoo Mail or you put in your Gmail login details, whichever one that works for you. And it will grant you access into the Epic Game Launcher. Immediately after you are done with that, you scroll down to the third option by the left hand side. And that third option is the Unreal Engine. You click on it and you click on install. This will give you the option of installing the latest version of the Unreal Engine. And as soon as you are done with the installation, good luck with you. There you go. You can do whatever you want to do with it. And from there, maybe if it is any online tutorial that you want to follow, easily you can easily assimilate whatever you want to do. And if you like this demonstration, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I can't wait to hear from you. Good luck.